It's hard. And you have so many advantages today. None of you have the right to claim depression. None of you have the right to claim unfairness. None of you have the right to say it's not fair that. Bullshit. That's bullshit. You have a PhD level library, a compendium of stuff out there that people now are making real doctor fucking salaries with. That's at your fingertips. And some of you are wrestling and arguing with me. Can you make it shorter? Oh, really? You want to go into medical school? You want to get your PhD? Ask them if they can condense that fucking shit into an associate's degree for you, time-wise. What kind of response are you gonna get? Get the fuck out of here. Get your ass out of here, you fucking lazy ass. Because that's what that is. You can't be lazy in this industry. You cannot, because it will take your ass out like the trash. It will get rid of you. It will discard you. Goodbye. It's unsettling when you discover that's how it is. But you need to be told that coming in, and I tell you this. And you don't like me because I'm being honest with you, but I'm sorry. You need to understand that. You need to know those things. That's exactly how I tell my sons. The world owes you nothing. It owes you all. You are going to get what you earn. And even when you earn it, it will probably be stolen from you. And you'll have to work harder to replace it. This world is a bunch of shit. Think about it. Think about this for a second. You pay taxes on money that you earn. Then you're taxed on the money that you're taxed for earning when you buy shit. The money you have left over pays for a fucking property that you own. You have a deed to. But they tax you on the property that you fucking own, that you paid taxes when you fucking bought it, and you received the deed on income that you were taxed. And you don't think there's a fucking scam in that? You have to know how to outpace these motherfuckers. Your college degree ain't it. That's not the fucking solution. That in itself is an IQ test. Either you're going to be your own boss or you're going to be a good fucking slave. And some of you good slaves can be paid very, very well, but you're still a fucking slave. And you're willing to submit to whatever fucking costs in lifetime mortgages, the equivalent of, for student debt on a college degree, on a career that you might not even like doing once you get there. How certain are you that you're going to invest all that time, all that energy, all that money that you're going to have to pay back? And you can't write that off with a bankruptcy. Student debt, you're fucking stuck with it. And Biden just told you, fuck off, I'm not paying off nothing. They do that shit to get your vote, man. You're manipulated constantly, all the time. All the time. In this world, you have to be shrewd. You have to be diligent. You have to bust your ass. But there's a way to work hard, and there's a way to work hard and smart. When you work hard, you're going to work hard the rest of your fucking life. But if you work hard and smart, you only have to work hard and smart in the beginning. And once you figure out what it is that you're supposed to be doing for yourself, being your own entrepreneur, and trading is the last bastion for that. And you can start with next to nothing.